Welcome to Easy Learning. Dictation starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Feudalism has been gradually eliminated in several countries, but Pakistan has failed to escape from its clutches. Full stop. The menace is particularly prevalent in Sindh, where these feudals hold de facto power in many areas and no one dares to raise a voice against them. Full stop. The British first displayed the feudalistic mentality in the subcontinent to keep an eye on the movement of citizens by deploying military or police personnel. Full stop. However, although the British left the region some 75 years ago, Pakistan remains in the grip of feudal landlords. Full stop. Paragraph. In rural Sindh, people are made subordinate to the orders of landlords in exchange for meager wages that barely fill their empty stomachs once or twice a day. Full stop. Feudalism is a major source of discord in Sindh as it has deprived people of their basic rights, like health, education, and above all, freedom of expression. Full stop. This cruel system not only snatches the daily bread from the citizens but also keeps them away from accomplishing academic excellence. Full stop. The feudal masters perhaps realize that knowledge is the real power and, therefore, keep the peasants' children away from it because an educated child would ultimately challenge their rule. Full stop. Unfortunately, most of the poor peasants are terrified and seem to have accepted the domination as a fait accompli. Full stop. Paragraph. At the same time, democracy has failed to flourish in the province as the freedom to vote is not exercised practically. Full stop. It is high time feudalism got rooted out to ensure the province development and the betterment of its citizens. Full stop. Pragmatic strategies must be devised to make the people aware of their political, social, economic and all other rights. Full stop.